What are the survival needs of human body? To sustain human life, there are certain physiological needs. The first and most basic of all needs is water. Water is fundamental to all life on earth. While it may be easy for many of us to take the availability of water for granted, growing demands on the world's water resources highlight the importance of water to everyday life. Access to clean water is a growing political issue around the world. And why this water is important? It makes up 60 to 80% of total body weight, and it allows metabolic reactions to take place inside human body. Another basic survival need of human body is maintenance of stable body temperature. It is necessary because the chemical reactions upon which the body depends can only take place within a narrow range of body temperature, from just below to just above 37 degrees centigrade, which is normal body temperature. When the temperature of body rises well above or drops well below this normal body temperature, then certain proteins, that is enzymes, that facilitate chemical reactions, they lose their normal structure and their ability to function. As a result, the chemical reactions of metabolism cannot proceed. Another basic survival need is maintenance of appropriate atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is a pressure exerted by the mixture of gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen, in the Earth's atmosphere. Although you may not perceive it, atmospheric pressure is constantly pressing down on your body. This pressure keeps gases within your body, such as the gaseous nitrogen in body fluids, dissolved. Your ability to breathe, that is to take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, it also depends upon a precise atmospheric pressure. Now, what happens when there is a change in our environment? Depending upon the degree of change, a human body suffers discomfort, disease or sickness, or death. It means any significant change in the environment is harmful for an organism.